The allow checkbox to span multiple columns script is one of the formatting and validation scripts included in the scripts generator. In this video, we'll show you how you can format fields so that they span across multiple columns rather than the default display, which I'll show you here on the lead form. So if you go to this particular form, you'll see on the Details tab that the default for this field, did you find out the budget for this project? It's kind of squished over here, and particularly if you have multiple fields like this, maybe you need to add more to this lead information form. It doesn't really look aesthetically pleasing, and also it makes it easier to follow from a data entry standpoint once you run the script. So we'll go ahead and show you what this looks like. So we'll go over to our script generator. We're going to find the allow checkbox to span multiple columns script and hit continue, and over here you'll see the definition for whatever script you have selected over here. So it was loading the entity form. Now we need to select the target form. We said we're going to run it on the lead form, so we hit select. Now it's determining the available form values associated with that form. So we'll need to select an available field, and so this is the field we said, did you find out the budget for this project? So you hit continue, and now it's preparing your script. Once it's completed, a pop-up box will come up and say that the customization has been added and the entity has been published. And this may take a moment. Once it's finished preparing your script, you'll see a prompt that says it's saving your script. There it is. And it should almost be finished running. Okay, so here's the pop-up box. So we hit OK. We get out of our script generator. We're going to go over to leads again. We're going to create a new lead. And now when you go over to the Details tab, you can see that this is spanning across multiple columns. So you have your checkboxes for no, yes, and as you add more fields, it'll display a lot nicer when you have multiple fields that you can add below here without, the text being all squished up in the corner. Again, this just, it makes it more aesthetically pleasing, and it really makes it easier to follow from a data entry standpoint, which is very important for your data integrity.